Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey. And today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Lo-Fi vocal trick by Wanasek. Wanasek is a metal sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands as Attila, Monuments, Machine Head, and many more. Also, Wanasek is a co-founder of Nail the Mix, the best online community on learning how to record, mix, and master metal music. If you want to learn from Wanasek and other great metal sound engineers, you can always join Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Wanasek's Lo-Fi vocal trick. So first of all, let's have a listen to our lead vocals.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away.
So, if you want to create a Lo-Fi vocal trick for our lead vocals, so first of all we have to duplicate our lead vocals. Let's highlight our lead vocals and let's duplicate our lead vocals. Now, when we duplicated our lead vocals, let's name our audio file as Lo-Fi Syn, and let's use an EQ on our duplicated lead vocals. So here we're gonna be using high pass filter and low pass filter, and we're gonna be cutting lows and highs of our vocals to create some kind of a radio or telephone effect.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away.
After our EQ, let's use any guitar amp. So in my case, I'm gonna be using the Studio One stack guitar amp, again to create a radio effect on our vocals.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away.
So here we can add some presence to our vocals, we can add some tremble, we can gain our master volume, and we can gain our preamp volume. After our guitar amp, I want to add some saturation to our vocals. So in this case, I'm gonna be using Waves Audio Magma Tubes saturation plugin, and I'm gonna be using Beast mode to add some saturation to our Lo-Fi vocals.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away.
After adding some saturation to our Lo-Fi vocals, I'm gonna be using reverb, and in my case I'm gonna be using Studio One stack reverb to make our Lo-Fi vocals sound a little bit bigger in the mix. So here you can see the settings of Studio One room reverb, and let's try our Studio One room reverb on our Lo-Fi vocals.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away.
And at the end of our plugins chain, let's use a limiter to level match our Lo-Fi vocals.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away.
Now let's have a listen to our Lo-Fi vocals in the mix.
I save your soul for the last time. A million's not a mistake. I'm the pill that you hold, I'm the story you told to keep your friends and your family away. You're so soft but you're violent. The gun won't cover your sins. Life is Russian roulette, you know that I'm up next. A bullet never lies to a friend or starts to talk about.
So now by using this Lo-Fi vocal trick by Wanasek, you know how to create Lo-Fi vocals in your mix. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you liked the video, and see you next time.